Welcome back to where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, exploring the latest models, reviews, and riding tips. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast or just curious about the two-wheeled wonders out there, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's rev our engines and get started. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Yamaha MT-10, a bike that's been making waves since its release. The MT-10, also known as the Master of Torque, is a staple in the naked bike segment, combining aggressive styling with impressive performance. So let's break down everything you need to know about this incredible machine. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 MT-10 features a bold and aggressive stance, staying true to its lineage while incorporating some updates that make it stand out even more. The front end showcases a sharp headlight design, complete with LED technology for enhanced visibility and a modern touch. The minimalist bodywork emphasizes the bike's muscular presence, with sculpted fuel tanks and a pronounced tail section that hints at its performance capabilities. Yamaha has also introduced new color options for 2025. The options include classic colors like Yamaha Blue and Graphite, alongside fresh new hues that provide a more vibrant aesthetic. And this allows riders to personalize their machines according to their style, making the MT-10 not just a performance bike but also a reflection of individual taste. Now, let's dive into the heart of the MT-10, the engine. The 2025 model is powered by a 998cc inline-line 4 engine derived from the YZF-R1. This power plant is designed for both high-end performance and low-end torque, delivering an exhilarating ride whether you're cruising through the city or tearing up the back roads. The engine produces a staggering 160 horsepower at 11,500 RPM, paired with 112 Nm of torque at 9,000 RPM. This means that the MT-10 not only accelerates rapidly but also provides plenty of grunt in the mid-range, making it a versatile option for different riding conditions. Whether you're looking for a bike to dominate the streets or one that can tackle longer rides, the MT-10 has you covered. Yamaha has also integrated a comprehensive suite of electronic aids into the MT-10 for 2025. These include traction control, multiple riding modes, and a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. The addition of a ride-by-wire throttle enhances throttle response, allowing riders to engage more intimately with the bike's performance. Speaking of riding modes, let's discuss how these affect the riding experience. The Montana 10 offers different modes that adjust the throttle response, traction control, and power delivery. Whether you prefer a sportier ride or something more comfortable for everyday commuting, the MT-10 allows you to customize your experience. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the suspension and handling. The 2025 MT-10 comes equipped with adjustable front and rear suspension, featuring fully adjustable 43mm USD forks and a rear monoshock. This setup not only enhances ride quality but also allows riders to fine-tune their suspension to suit their riding style and preferences. On the road, the MT-10 is nimble and responsive, thanks to its lightweight chassis and optimized weight distribution. Whether you're weaving through traffic or carving up corners, the bike feels planted and confident, allowing you to push the limits of what's possible on two wheels. Braking is another crucial aspect of performance, and Yamaha hasn't skimped in this department. The Montana 10 is equipped with dual 320mm front discs and a single 220mm rear disc, paired with advanced ABS technology. This ensures that you can bring the bike to a halt efficiently and safely, whether you're navigating urban environments or enjoying a spirited ride on winding roads. Now, let's take a moment to discuss the technology integrated into the 2025 MT-10. Yamaha has equipped the bike with a TFT display that provides essential information at a glance. The display is easy to read even in direct sunlight and features a range of information including speed, RPM, gear position, and fuel level. Additionally, you can toggle through various settings to monitor the bike's electronic systems, allowing you to stay informed and in control. One of the standout features of the MT-10 is the Yamaha WeConnect app, which allows riders to connect their smartphones to the bike. This app provides a range of functionalities, including call and message notifications, maintenance reminders, and ride statistics. This modern touch adds a layer of convenience and connectivity that many riders will appreciate. Let's not forget about comfort. While the MT-10 is undoubtedly a performance-focused machine, Yamaha has taken rider ergonomics into consideration. The seat is designed to provide comfort during longer rides, and the upright riding position promotes a natural posture that reduces fatigue. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend adventure, the MT-10 is designed to keep you comfortable in the saddle. Now, for those considering the MT-10 as their next bike, let's discuss some of the potential downsides. One aspect that some riders may find challenging is the bike's weight. While the MT-10 is relatively lightweight for a naked bike, it may still feel cumbersome for those who are used to lighter models. Additionally, the aggressive styling and powerful engine may not be suitable for novice riders. However, for experienced riders, the MT-10 offers an exhilarating experience that few bikes can match. The balance of power, handling, and technology makes it a top contender in the naked bike category. As we approach the conclusion of our deep dive into the 2025 Yamaha MT-10, it's essential to consider the overall package. This bike combines cutting-edge technology with raw performance, all wrapped in an aggressive and stylish design. Whether you're looking for a bike to tackle the daily grind or a machine to unleash on the open road, the MT-10 is sure to deliver. If you're interested in the MT-10, it's worth taking a test ride to experience its capabilities firsthand. Many Yamaha dealerships offer demo days, allowing potential buyers to experience the bike before committing. This is an excellent opportunity to see how the MT-10 fits your riding style and preferences. As we wrap up today's video, let's take a moment to summarize what makes the 2025 Yamaha MT-10 a standout option in the motorcycle market. With its powerful engine, advanced electronics, adjustable suspension, and comfortable ergonomics, it caters to both performance enthusiasts and everyday riders alike. Thanks for tuning in to your channel name. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.